You told me about structural changes in deduction chapter. Can you help me understand the changes in the provisions? Sure, there is a subtle additional reference in overview section. Then part of ATG is no more part of this chapter. And finally, you still need to remember Act 1961 in some cases. What is that subtle reference? Very few notice this. Section 80AC provides that heading C deductions are allowed only if return is filed within the regular due date. Now section 122 provides an additional condition that deduction must be claimed in the original return filed within regular due date. Nice. So that's more specific now. Being a person who claim ATG, I would like to know the changes in it. ATG on donations can be categorized into two parts. One for the persons providing donations and other for the approvals and compliance for organization receiving such donations. The approval process referred under section 80G 5 and 5B is now moved to section 354 of chapter 17, thereby having all provisions relating to registered non-profit organization in one place. This change is huge. I will share more when I discuss about trust. Sure, we'll wait for it. You are mentioning about having to remember Act 1961. Can you explain them? 4 sections, namely 80IA, 80IAB, 80IB and 80IBA still holds good even after Act 1961 is repealed. Section 138 in Act 2025 is the equivalent of 80IA. Section 138 refers 80IA for eligible business, deduction calculation and computing eligible period. In short, section 138 of Act 2025 is nothing but following section 80IA of Act 1961. The same is with 80IAB, 80IB and 80IBA. So don't unlearn them. However, section 143 equivalent of 80IE is independent but refers 80IB for computing eligible period of deduction. I remember 80IA used to be referred by various other sections for provisions on audit, market value, close connection, board's power and amalgamation or demerger of such business. Where are they mentioned now? That's a good question. All key conditions mentioned in 80IA for claiming deduction is now referred in section 140. That is the equivalent of 80IAC. So now such section refers to section 140. Is that clear? Very much. I will go and relearn chapter 8. Now I will also share this with other professionals and students. Thank you for the time.